Good day everyone. So I miss you all. Na-miss ko po yung ating agrikuntuhan. So hello everyone. Hello. Especially all of my subscribers around the globe. Hello to the American people, Indian people, and all peoples of the world who are watching my videos. So for today's vlog, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to make a concrete post for your dragon fruit. Okay? Turuan ko po kayo na gumawa ng konkretong poste since I found out that dragon fruit can last up to 25 years. So bakit ko titipidin na aking alaga? Dahil dati naman ay kakawati lang. So ngayon, konkreto na siya. Turuan ko kayo how to make it. I prepare to choose the best type of post of perfect class A setup. Okay? And I prepare to choose not to put any excess steel for putting an extra old tire as a support para dragon fruit. Hindi ko na po nilalagyan ng setup na itong aking tuturo sa inyo ng gilong sapagkat ito ay additional, because this is an additional expenses and additional labor for our dragon fruit farmers. So I found out in other countries like Vietnam, based on as per advice of my mentors in dragon fruit, so they are advising it is allowable to use not to put an extra steel corrugated bar. Okay, so this is the setup that I'm going to teach you today. Yan ang tuturo ko sa inyo, yung wala ng bakal sa dulo. Pag na nating patagalin, with no further ado, let's do this. Okay, panoorin po natin ang video na ito. Okay, we will now start making concrete post for dragon fruit. We will now start to construct only for that two pieces. Dalawa lang po yung kinaya natin. We prepare to choose 12 mm, a single post. So on every post, we need to lalagyan natin ng isang 12 mm na bakal. Okay, we will use the class A mixture of gravel and sand with cement. We will use 5:1. Okay, and we will make only 4 pieces of post para siguraduhin matibay sa bagyo, to ensure that it will endure the all types of storm and typhoons. Okay, now we are done. We put a seal of our future, the name of the farm, BTRF, Be Truly Rich Farm, and we put a date where we started with where we made this post. Okay, tomorrow we will repeat again the process. We will remove the frame and we will construct again another two. Okay, repeat and again and again, due to lack of enough capital. So in that way we can save more money and effort. Tomorrow we will remove the frame. Okay, so tapos na tayo. Yan na, nilagyan natin ng selyo. Kung anong gusto mong ilagay, pwede po yan dahil ikaw naman naggawa po niyan. Lagyan mo na rin ng remembrance ng date para ma-track mo yung development ng yung farm. Okay, now we are done mga ka-agris. So we made 4. So disclaimer, I'm not expert in calculation of grout and the cement, the sand and gravel and sand. Okay, so it's up to you. If you are going to duplicate the number, just double the number in 4 pieces of post. I use 2 pieces of 12 mm. So I decided to choose 12 mm because in our place we are always visited by typhoons. So as per advice by our, so thanks you nga pala sa lahat ng mga advisor ko, ng aking mga mentor sa dragon fruit groups in Facebook. So thank you sir sa mga bright ideas. So I decided to innovate and choose the best post for my dragon fruit, since they are advising that dragon fruit will last up to 25 years. So bakit ko naman titirarin yung aking alaga kung ganun pala katibay sa pambuhay niya, lifespan niya. So yun, thank you so much once again sa aking mga mentor sa dragon fruits groups in Facebook. Okay, thank you so much mga sir. So wisdom na binigay niyo sa akin. So that's it for today. Hope you learned something from my videos. So don't forget to subscribe kay baguhan. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Okay, so later on we will use this as post for my dragon fruit. I will demonstrate to you how to use this an actual preparation. Okay, keep on tuning in and watching my videos. Okay, thank you so much once again. It's me, your ka-agri, Kuya Eric Tino, signing po tayo, saying God bless you all. Kabuhay. God bless the Philippines.